Okay children, let's do the next exercise. Before going to this exercise, you are being so lazy and your face is getting too tired children. I know it, isn't it? Am I correct or not? Your face is becoming very tired. Okay, let's play a game and we start our activity. Okay, let's sing a song, a phonic song. Shall we sing a phonic song? Yes, not alphabet song. We are going to sing a phonic song. A for ant, A for aeroplane, A sounds a. B for ball, B for banana, b. C for cat and C for cat, k. D for dog and D for dot, da. E for elephant, E for egg, e. F for fan and F for feather, f. H for hen and H for hammer, ha. I for ink and I for ice cream, e. J for jug and J for juice, j. K for kite and K for king, k. L for lamp and L for lemon, la. M for mango and M for monkey, N for nest and N for nestle, na. O for owl and O for owl, o. P for parrot and P for pen, pa. Q for quill and Q for queen, quack. R for rabbit, R for rat, ru. S for swan, S for swim, sh. T for tiger and T for tan, t. U for umbrella and U for Indian, V for victory and V for van, v. W for wrist and W for watch, wa. Y for yawn and Y for york, ya. Z for zebra and Z for zip, z. Okay, clap your hands together. Just tap it. Okay, let's see now going to see the exercise. Now you got cheer up children. Okay, let's see the exercise. Let's go to the exercise. Just read the heading carefully children. Say the name of each picture loud. Say the name of each picture loud. If it ends with CK. If it ends with CK, write the word in the blank and color the picture. Okay, they said here the picture has been given. We want to look at the picture first and we want to find out the name of the picture. If the name of the picture end with CK, then we want to write the name and we want to color it. Okay children, okay, let's listen here. This is a tree, T R E tree, which does not end with CK. Okay, so we no need to write the name and we no need to color the picture. Okay, let's move to this picture. This is, what is this? Yes, this is chick. C H I C K, chick. C H I C K, chick. Your ending word is CK. You are getting the CK word end. So we haven't write the word. So after the word written, we have to shade it. Shade with color. Okay, I am just shading with pencil. But you can draw the picture in the paper and you can color it with yellow color. Okay, yellow, and the beagle is in red color. And foot also, just make it with a red color, then only it will look very nice. Okay children, I just shaded with using my pencil, but you can draw the chick on your paper and you can just color it with yellow here, body yellow, and beagle and toe in the red color. Okay, let's move to the next picture children. This is kite. Kite. Spelling for kite is K I T E. Kite. Do you getting any CK sound? No. So we don't need to write here and color it here. Just put a cross mark like this. Okay, let's move to this one. This is lock. Lock. Just tell me the spelling for lock. L O C K, lock. L O C K, lock. Okay, so okay, you find it out the lock picture here. Okay, so you want to make a color it. I'm just shading with my pencil. You can draw the outline of the lock by using your mother help or your father help or your brother's help, and make a color and just write the lock under this picture. Okay children, now you got it. Okay, I'm just shading with my pencil. In outer line, just give the black color. If it give black means it will be look very nice. Then inner you can give it with yellow. Okay, yellow, or if you have a glittering silver color, you can give a glittering silver also. I am just coloring the outline darker shade using my pencil. If the darker shade in black color, then it will be looking good. And here, if you have a silver color or white color paint, watercolor or oil paint, you can paint it like this here, white color. Okay children, have just colored the lock because the color having the end sound CK. Okay children. Okay, now I am moving to the next picture. Okay, see here, this is a bottle, isn't it? It does not have a CK sound. Okay, this is a mask. A mask. Listen carefully. M A S K, mask. Here SK has been covered. So we don't need to write the letter and we don't need to color the picture. Okay children, one more time I am telling children, listen carefully. See here, this is a tree. Okay, this is a tree which does not have a CK sound, ending sound which does not have a CK sound. This is a chick. It does not have a, it's having a CK sound, ending with CK sound. So I make a color it. Okay, this is a kite which does not have a CK sound. This is a lock and having a CK sound. So I am just making a color it. Okay, and this is a mask which does not have a CK sound, so I does not write the name as well as I does not make the color. Okay, if you want to make the color, just take a white paper and write the or draw the outline of the lock or outline of the chick. You can make a color using your color pen or watercolor. Okay, let's move to the next exercise. Okay.